I have 4 children, 2 of which are always in front of the television, fighting for airtime. They're on the Fortnite crazy, and I do think this is the way to get in. Google has not been effective at trying to get social into the platform. YouTube has been a screaming success, but I think this will really start pulling in some eyeballs. I really think it's a win for Google. Is it enough to counteract the negative headlines that we see in the press right now about privacy issues? No. But is it something where I think they're building for the future? 100%.
There's been a lot of negativity just in the stocks themselves. So you've had a couple releases already in the first quarter, which were disappointing, frankly, in terms of the growth outlook for companies at one point that were priced for growth. But whether it's EA, whether it's Take-Two, whether it's Activision, they all hit the skids. There's been a major bounce over the last couple weeks in some of them, and even couple months in some others. I continue to like Activision because I just think relative to their peers, they're cheaper. They've got Overwatch, but then they've got Diablo. They've got a couple big titles coming out late 2019, 2020, and it gets back to, with the Googles and the guys providing the hardware, it's really a content game. And what is going on in your pipeline, what's going on in your catalog, and we've talked about this too. At some point, these guys become cheap enough where they are content for a big media company to buy.
I actually love this move by Google. I think it fits right into what they do. They can pull some levers with some other parts of their industry, and I would be afraid if I were, at some point in time, the big gaming companies, because, to borrow a line from Jeff Bezos, your profit margin is my opportunity, and that's what Google's doing.
To answer sort of the tangential question, I think Apple, instead of Apple and Disney trying to fight this land war with Netflix that I don't think they can win, you know, I think they're better suited to go and look at a Take-Two with 19 times forward earnings, which would probably be a $15 to $16 billion deal. Get into that space, because that's, to me, where the tremendous growth opportunities are.